Working on yourself is work. So what matters here is your input, practice, curiosity, and thoroughness. There's no shortage of people who attend workshops, therapy, or even trauma therapy with phrases like, "Please free me from this. Please take this away. Please fix this for me. I just want this gone." Sure, someone can do a few exercises with us, guide us through a beautiful process, or even wave a magic wand. But then what? Often we say, "Great, I'm free from that burden." And yet we keep returning to the same difficult relationship. We still obsess over our appearance after every meal. We continue to overextend ourselves, sacrifice, or control. We still return to a life that's exactly the same. Why? Because there are no therapists or guides who are magicians. No one can remove your issues for you. No one can take your problems away. We can say our issues have lost their grip or no longer have the same power to hurt us when we've done the necessary work on them, work that will have its own pace and require personal investment. You can't passively sit and wait for a miracle to free you. You are part of the process. Your involvement, willingness, and readiness to bring what you discover and heal into your daily life are crucial. So there will be breakthroughs and challenges. There will be changes and growth. This is what the process looks like. This is how I define one of its fundamental aspects.